What's good, baby gang? It's SyVon.
It's your girl SyVon, and we are back with another video. So guys, we're back.
You was trying to sing right now?
No.
You talking so guys?
I wasn't trying to sing, but if that's what it was given, then that's what it was given. We are back with another video. If you guys can see by the thumbnail and the title of this video, we're gonna be giving you guys a food review.
So she's trying to talk different, guys.
What you talking about?
It's like she giving that new year, new me, new voice.
New year, new me, new voice, period.
That is.
So guys, we're going to be doing a food review on this place. We've never tried it. It's called Jollibee.
Yeah, man. You said better than me.
One of them.
I said Jubilee.
He said Jubilee. Like a doggone dance something. But yeah, we're going to be trying this this food place called Jollibee. Is it Jollibee or Jollibee? One of them. So we got some drinks. So we got 2 drinks. We only ordered 1, but they gave us another one.
I just took it.
We just took because they gave it to us.
Oh, thank you very much.
They made us wait for 30 unnecessary minutes when they had our food ready already. It was almost.
Oh.
It felt like an hour. They told us to pull when we ordered. They told us to pull to the front. We thinking they gonna come and bring it out, but then I realized like they didn't get our name. They didn't get the car color. So I'm like, how are they gonna know who the food belonged to? And so I told Javon to go in there and get it. Like go in there and see what's going on. And he literally walked in there and walked right out.
It was already in the bag and everything.
Made us wait for nothing.
And she like, oh, I'm sorry.
And she gave us another drink. So whatever.
I like took that drink and walked out.
Right. So we got the pineapple juice, the pineapple quencher. And we got a 6-piece spicy chicken. We got fries with a chicken sandwich. And then we also ordered a Palabok Fiesta. Palabok.
Well, you look at me for like I'm pronouncing. I can't pronounce that. I embarrass myself so.
I think it's called a Palabok.
I want to look light skinned too now. I'm gonna come down and look at me.
This boy here.
Light skin.
He want to look light skin so bad.
I want to look light skin. I can't like.
I'm gonna look melanin.
You want light skin? You know what light skin look?
Like. That's not the light skin look. And maybe,
how about you do it? You do it.
I'm doing it.
When I see, do it.
Close your eyes a little bit and make it like you constipated.
Carry on.
Anyways, we got the 6-piece bucket, which comes 6 pieces of chicken, and it comes with a cup of gravy. We got a chicken sandwich, spicy chicken sandwich, and we got the Palabok Fiesta. I think it has like I think it said Asian noodles with a garlic sauce and I think fried pork or something pork, and then it has eggs on it.
Yeah, bumper. That chicken and burger, a little bit try.
You gonna try the other one too?
No, what I saw.
He gonna try the other one too. So that's everything that we got.
Come on, Mama, where the finger things smell like KFC. Come on,
that chicken smells good.
Yap. Come on.
Shut up.
Let me show you the chicken and chicken look though. I tried.
Okay, so that's the chicken. This is a cup of gravy. And then we ordered the spicy chicken sandwich. We got some French fries. Look at you about to steal. I know you look.
My fries always get cold fat and fast, bro.
It's hard. Did they give us something to eat with? No. Oh, yes, they did. And then this is the... I guess this is the noodle stuff. So, babe, what you want to try first? I guess the French fries, huh? What you think? Y'all, we hungry.
Yeah, like regular fries.
Oh. They do have a different, like, exterior.
Come again?
I do.
Elaborate, please.
They have a different coating.
Okay.
It's good.
You think so smart?
No.
I say big words. One of you smart. Alright.
Yeah. You like regular fries.
Chicken nugget right now, you know. Chicken nugget yet. We gotta try next. Chicken or burger? Chicken? Or you want to try that chicken? Oh.
I'm hungry.
Chicken. Alright, come on, come on. This. I thought this was on the chicken. Oh, this is on the chicken.
Mm-hmm.
You can already tell that chicken looks a little different.
Yeah, it's redder. Like it's more. It's the chicken, y'all. Sorry, we're parking the sun.
You want the cover?
Hmm? I have the bag right here, babe.
Okay, you think?
I have the bag. Wait.
They put this thing in it. You see it?
Yeah. That's the toothpick. Ready?
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I always eat the skin off the chicken first.
Wow. Oh, you eat it first. I thought you said you wasted it. Ready?
Go.
Go.
Okay, this skin good. Let's try the chicken. Oh, shit is hot. Y'all look at that. Y'all see that steam? He burning his mouth up.
I'm not lie. It's bad. It's not spicy as, like, for example, a church's.
Yeah.
But it's juicy. You know what I'm saying? We like the juicy
So
pum pum. It's juicy.
Boy. Yeah. Oh my god.
It's bad, man. I'm not lie. It's bad. Like, chicken has come off the thing so easily. I'm food porn right now.
Oh, got to be more careful.
Yeah, man, it's bad. But now like it's bad.
How many more legs in there?
I think one or two.
One leg?
Chicken is chicken, good man, huh?
No, I like the legs.
Chicken or chicken. No matter if I back the breast side.
Yeah.
Chicken or chicken.
Legs or thighs? Flats or drums?
Chicken or chicken.
I like flat. I mean, I like drum. Oh. I like legs because it's not that much fat on it.
Chicken or chicken. Alright. The rating now.
Yep.
They want to kind of tough, you know. Okay, bad people. I'm not like bad. Bad though.
Yep.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
9.
9? Okay.
Oh, you know what I was gonna say? 8. I had 8 in my head, but I was like, man, the crust is so good. Yeah, I'm a crust person.
It could be a 9.
Yeah, he's gonna let it up.
It's bad. But not like. When food bad, food bad.
You want some lemon juice?
No. When food bad, food bad. And I think this place are from Philippines.
Is it?
Yeah. Philippines, that's why they look different. Yeah, I'm not trying to more yet, man. I'm trying some more off camera. Cause these bad people, now like bad. They bad people. I'm trying the juice. I'm sure you got. Oh, did I show the juice? I don't know if I showed it.
That chicken was good. Okay, let me try the juice too. What it's giving?
Let me taste something like this before.
Probably have this pineapple.
This is pineapple one?
This one we had already.
I feel like I tasted it before. I don't remember where I tasted it from.
Oh, it's the same thing.
Same thing? Yeah? Let me see.
It tastes like pineapple juice. Just regular pineapple juice.
Oh, it's the same thing. Oh, yeah, it's a different color. Oh, it's the same color.
No, it might because this one fresher, maybe. It just tastes like pineapple juice to me.
It's the same thing then.
Yeah. So, I mean, the juice tastes just like regular pineapple juice, like the D-O-L-E juice. That juice.
Yeah, that's what it tastes like. Yeah. I know it tasted before. I'm like, man, I feel like I tasted this juice before. All right, we have what, 2 more?
Yep. Oh, we're supposed to try the chicken with the gravy. Wow, we tore that up.
You want to try it?
Okay.
All right, guys. So we have the chicken sandwich. Chicken sandwich. Sandwich.
Yeah.
Okay.
Spicy chicken sandwich.
Let's see what this is gonna know.
Ooh, look at that bun. That's a brioche bun.
That's a who?
Brioche.
Ladies first.
First of all, what's this big old green thing on here? Jalapenos. That's the only thing spicy about it. Y'all. Hey.
Let me see it up there.
This is what I don't like about fast food restaurants. Look at that.
What's up with the mustard or something?
No.
Soy sauce, what is it?
It's the I guess it's the spicy sauce, but my thing is it's pointless even.
There's no more sauce in there that look like that?
Hell, we just gonna be eating on freaking, might as well just eat the chicken and the bread together.
That's what you really want to be doing, right? Maybe it's seasoned spicy. I think you're supposed to eat the bread with it. You forgot that part? You forgot that part? But it's part right here, it's close to the sauce. I'll say your review yet.
You ready? You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
3.
1.
1. But that try to be looking nice.
Ain't nothing nice about that.
It come like no flavor.
It ain't got no flavor.
Like, man, I tried chew. Man, I say wait there. But now, it's not, you know when they eat Chick-fil-A, you know what Chick-fil-A. I don't eat Popeyes. You know what Popeyes.
Right. This ain't got nothing. Where it's gone. The chicken it don't have flavor. The bread, and I'm a bread person. It tastes like tastes like they just took it out the pack and put the meat on the bread. You know how some restaurants they'll either grill their bread first or like at least heat it up some.
3 and 1.
And that was me being nice.
Hey, I thought I was being nice. I was gonna say 5.
5?
I thought about it, and then I kept chewing. I'm like, this ain't got no flavor. I can't give this a 5. And it's not that spicy. I feel like chicken was more spicy than this. And chicken not even that spicy.
Right.
And I don't even like spicy.
So next thing is the noodle.
Oh Lord.
The noodle. You ready for this? Damn it, this the noodle that's on it. Just leave that
I
alone.
can eat it too.
Ready?
Yeah, ready. Lock back that blood clot. Lock back that. Come on, lock back that. Lock back that bomb clot. I'm not ready yet. I want that.
Can y'all see that?
Our shrimp in there too?
Yeah, you see 1, 2, 3.
Alright, this remind me of sushi. Why they look fake?
They do look fake, huh?
Ladies first.
You.
Ladies first.
Lead by example.
Lead by ladies first.
You the head of this relationship.
If it wasn't for ladies, niggas wouldn't be here. Ladies first.
Oh my gosh.
Right the fuck.
That's what I'm saying.
Let me stop my face for like this. It probably tastes good. I'm not trying the egg, you know. I'm not trying the egg.
Babe, you have to.
Why do I have to know what egg tastes like? I'm not have to try the egg. You don't even try everything. You're not trying it. What that? Beef?
Pork.
Steak?
I got pork in here.
What that? Cilantro?
Maybe partially.
Partially. I'm gonna try. What is it for me? I'm trying shrimp. One life to live though. Say me for dead today. I don't know why.
Oh my god. Babe.
Ah, this saved me.
Is it that bad?
Oh my god.
Y'all. Well, I guess we all know what that rate was.
That's the definition of no season.
At all. It had no freaking season. I thought, because the sauce is supposed to be garlic sauce. Something is gonna have some type of like spicy garlic, you know what I'm saying? Yes, y'all not saying.
Hey, did we eat it right?
I have no idea.
We supposed to eat the whole. We supposed to eat the whole thing and stir it up there. Go try it. Go try it. Come on. Yeah, you want to try it too?
No.
Yes. Give me a spoon. What is the answer? Mix up everything. I try everything. Everything, nothing.
He was scared.
Bruh.
Yeah, they saw you. Oh my god. And he over here talking about, let's try one more time. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Not trying that. No. We gotta give that a rating, babe.
Rating?
Yes.
Come on.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Negative 0.
I was the same thing. I was the same thing. Negative 0.
That shit was disgusting. Yeah, it has no flavor. Like, I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be, but I would definitely try those noodles again and something else with like an actual sauce and seasoning. Like, it would have to be mixed in something with seasoning. Out of everything, my favorite was the chicken.
Yeah.
The chicken was fire.
Wait, the burger, the chicken, the fries, the burger. I feel like the fries is more hot dog that taste a little better.
But the chicken was...
Noodles? My phone is a talent one going, man.
How much did we spend on that?
But $8 feet. $8 feet, dog.
Yeah, it was $8. Yeah.
It's like I was shooting on a rock. But you have to try. You should try it. You should.
I'm not doing that.
Feed people them, babe. Feed people them.
Feed people what?
For the viewers, for the family them, for everybody who watch. Come on, man. It tastes like, it comes like me that true from a rock. Hard rock.
I believe you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I believe you. I believe you.
Look who just swallow that then. Look who just swallow it. Look who just. Oh, you man! Look who just swallow that dog. Hey, guys, no disrespect to any Philippines. You know what I'm saying? This is our first time trying this our reaction. We have to be honest, right?
We gotta be honest with you.
Be honest. If it's good, it's good. You know what I'm saying?
If it's not, it's not.
No, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, shout out to Philippines though.
There's some good chicken.
Overall, if you ask me would I come back, just for the chicken.
Just for the chicken, that's it.
But overall,
And the juice.
Yeah, and the juice, but would I come back? Probably not. Reason why? Because I'm going to pass Popeye and all them other chicken places just to get here. So, and it's not close to our house either. So, if you guys like the reaction, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, comment down below any other videos you guys want to see. We're trying to get back on the track, you know what I'm saying? We're trying to get back on the track. So, yeah, let's go. BB Gang, we out.
Peace.